Hi, I'm Jeremy, and I'm here with DTE's Small Medium Business Energy Efficiency Program. If DTE Energy provides both gas and electric service for your business, then this program is for you. DTE Energy offers energy efficiency programming to help our customers better understand how they use energy, where they can improve, and the opportunities available to them.
It was very fast and easy. They came in quick. They did such a wonderful job. He has been able to help us out with anything we need. I would recommend it to anyone.
When you schedule your complimentary energy assessment through DTE Energy, the Energy Advisor will visit your place of business to help identify opportunities to become more energy efficient.
Hi, I'm Ezra. I'm one of DTE Energy's trusted energy advisors. Though we're at a hotel today, many of the products you're going to see are common at all businesses across our region. When walking through the business, I'll be taking a look at all of their products using energy, lighting, furnaces, boilers, hot water heaters, shower heads, aerators, thermostats. One of the no-cost products I was able to install today is the Sensi programmable thermostat. If you currently have a manual thermostat in your business, you can get a smart thermostat installed at no cost during your energy assessment. As you can see here, the Wi-Fi enabled thermostats allow you to create a schedule so that you can have programmed schedules change throughout the day. Another product I was able to install today at no cost is an LED open sign. Now that I've completed the energy assessment, let's go over the assessment report. Today you'll see that we were able to get you $326 of direct installed products and a potential rebate of $750.
Scheduling an energy assessment is easy. You can visit dteenergy.com/smallbusiness to schedule at a time that is best for you.